going to talk about Rahu today. Do they control our our fate? In this Kali Yuga, I always said there will be Rahu will be the leader, and Rahu will be the most considered planet, along with the Saturn and along with the you can say this Venus. So here what happens, like we started using like technologies a lot. So technologies are connected with Rahu, and these technologies sometimes bring a dirty and very very negative and very very unthoughtful things in front of us, beside from Google or YouTube or something like that, which information are very misconducted as per the situations or something. Sometimes these are the misinformations which create problems for us. And now what happened, you can see there's some wrong information always we collect, and these kind of things happen to us. And now why I am giving this, so as much negative things we get from through the technologies, as much closer we go to the technologies, so many bad things are going to happen, so many negative things are going to enter in our life, and this all will be created by the Rahu, and he control our fate most than in our life rather than other planets. We all the time on gadgets, we all, while clicking a picture also, sometimes we use filter and other elements where we can look better. So that create ego and illusion in between us. So that illusion and that ego make weaker our Mercury, weaker our Jupiter, weaker our Mars, which bring Mars into the negative energy. So Rahu this way not only get indulge in our life too much in activity, but if we utilize these technologies in a good shape also, like listening to mantras, like reading to mantras, like leading to prayers, then this become a good things also for our gestures. So here I just want to tell you that yes, your fate, your destiny will be controlled by Rahu. As much technologies you will be using, as much dirt and bad things you will be getting created, and you might be seeing the cyber attacks are happening, you might be seeing some scams are happening, might be seeing some dirty elements are there on the videos. So these kind of things, well, so much technologies we are using, as much technology we are using, Rahu is coming in our life. One more thing, when this universe, when this galaxy was created, I have given program on that also. Then this body, miracle body, has been made by our Almighty. Even Rahu is also a spiritual planet, but he give lesson in a very different way. He create illusion first, then he will break our emotions, then he will see, the kind of things what is happening with it, then he laugh on us and say, now see the results. Kind of that personality he have. So this meditation and this institutions which has been given to, miraculously given to by God to us, where we can communicate through mantras to them, that is the miracle thing they have given to us. So this technologies, by sending our messages through technologies, using technologies. So this Rahu has brought us, and might be you can meet aliens also. Might be they have already entered in our life, because by communicating by our inner soul way, which is called meditation, or which we can say our kundalanis, that is a real method in which we should not come in front of the other world, which world should not watch us. This was the logic behind that. But now, because using weird technologies, so the risk by meeting the other world is more, and you might be watching in very few days, or very few, such a low time, that we are meeting with aliens or we are meeting with other things, and Rahu is too much in our life, and Rahu might be other third person is an alien. So that kind of things might you can see if we will use these kind of technologies, and Rahu will control your fate. And if he will control your fate, he's not good placed in your horoscope, then your life can be very horrible and results will be very horrible. So take care about this. Use less technologies, that will be better for you. God bless you. Keep watching From the Heart Astrology.